Are you struggling to grow yours or your model's OnlyFans account? Feeling stuck? No matter how much effort you put into marketing, then you've probably come across Guaranteed Gains, the promise of instant subs and easy money. Sounds perfect, right? But today, I want to show you why Guaranteed Gains are not only a waste of money, but also could be a risk to your account and your reputation. Let's dive in. So what are Guaranteed Gains? Guaranteed Gains, or GG, are services where agencies or promoters promise to deliver a set number of subs to your OnlyFans account within a specific time. Here's how it works. You pay them a fee, usually upfront or after the results, and they promote your free trial link to a massive audience. Soon, your subscriber count shoots up. At first glance, this looks like success, but don't be fooled. Most of these new subscribers are actually just free trial users who leave the second their trial ends. You've gained numbers, but no actual paying fans. Imagine the scenario. You go from 50 subs to 500 within a week, but then the free trials expire. Your income hasn't budged. You're back to where you started, or worse, your engagement is now lower because these subs never interact with your content. Now let's talk about the false positives, those misleading results that make you think Guaranteed Gains are working. Seeing your sub count rise feels great, like your account has finally taken off. But the reality is this, numbers don't always equal growth. So real growth isn't just about hitting that big subscriber number, it's actually about how much money ends up in your pocket at the end of the day. A lot of people forget this. So if you're going around handing out free trial links, but you're not actually making more money at the end of the day, then you've just wasted money. So here's where things also get risky. You've wasted money, you're paying for numbers that don't bring value. The scams, a lot of them could be scams. Many promoters disappear after taking your money, delivering nothing. And let's not forget, using these services can actually sometimes violate the OnlyFans policies itself, putting the OF accounts at risk. Does that sound like a risk worth taking? So then if Guaranteed Gains don't work, what does? Put this effort into marketing the OnlyFans account on TikTok, Reddit, and dating apps. Everything else is just noise. Yeah, I hear about Twitter and Instagram. Actually, Instagram Reels are popping off. But put all of this effort into TikTok, IG Reels, dating apps, and Reddit. Just that's it. Everything else is just noise. Those are the hardest to learn, especially dating apps. But that means that there is a barrier to entry, which means that it is not as saturated as you think, because a lot of people start, gets hard, and then they stop doing it. So that is why you need to put this effort into learning it, and I can help you with that. So if you like my content, join my school via the link below, and you'll find out the marketing methods for these platforms I just mentioned. So don't go wasting money on Guaranteed Gains. Put that money and time into learning marketing that actually works to get subs that actually spend money. Link is below. I'll see you in there. And as usual, if you like the video, go smash the like button, smash the subscribe button, and I'll see you on the next video.